Today, we're going to show you how to recover your USPS online account in 2026. Losing access to your account can be frustrating, but by following these steps carefully, you can regain control quickly and securely. First, go to the official USPS website and click on Sign In. Then select Forgot Username or Password. If you remember your username, enter it to start the recovery process. If not, you can use your email address linked to the account. Next, USPS will send a verification link or code to your registered email. Open the email and follow the instructions carefully. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the message immediately. After verifying your email, you'll be prompted to reset your password. Create a strong and unique password using a combination of uppercase and lowercase, letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. If you no longer have access to your registered email or phone number, click on the Need More Help or Contact USPS Support option. Provide accurate account details such as your full name, mailing address, and any recent tracking numbers to verify your identity. Once your account is recovered, log in and review all personal information, addresses, and security settings. Enable two-factor authentication for added protection and update your email and phone number if necessary. Following these steps ensures you can safely recover your USPS online account and prevent unauthorized access in the future. Always keep your login credentials and security settings up to date to avoid similar issues in 2026 and beyond. Hello, everyone.